What a beautiful campsite. This right here is Prince William Sound, one of the most gorgeous parts of Alaska. And this forest here is actually rainforest. They get something like 200 inches of rain every year here. This is one of my favorite places in Alaska. But this storm is getting worse. I think I better get my snowshoes on and get out of here. There's a good 18 inches of snow on top of my old tracks from yesterday. It's like I never broke any trail. To the car. Hopefully I can get it out of the snowdrift. Well, there you go. That's not too buried. I can get that out. Oh my, it's a little bit windy out there. All right guys, we made it to the tunnel. This is a 2.5 mile tunnel that's one lane. Each lane of traffic gets one opportunity per hour to go through the mountain. So we just barely made our tunnel.